Teachers' Day celebrated with enthusiasm at Markaz Academy Golpara. Golpara, 5th September, Markaz Academy, Golpara, celebrated Teachers' Day with great zeal and heartfelt expressions of gratitude, honoring the invaluable role of teachers in shaping society and inspiring generations. The event, attended by students, teachers, and dignitaries of the institution, was marked by speeches, felicitation, and cultural performances. The program began with a warm welcome speech delivered by Atikur Rahman, a student of Class X, who set the tone for the day by highlighting the importance of respecting and valuing teachers. This was followed by a soul-soothing recitation from the Holy Quran by Nazrul Islam, with the translation eloquently presented by Abdul Wadoor of Class 8. Their presentation reminded the audience of the divine significance attached to knowledge and those who impart it. The highlight of the celebration was a series of thoughtful and motivational speeches delivered by the management and faculty members. The chairman of Markaz Academy, Hafiz Bashir Ahmad Qasimi Sahab, in his inspiring address, emphasized the noble mission of teachers in guiding students not only towards academic excellence but also towards moral and spiritual development. He described Teachers' Day as an opportunity for students to express gratitude to their mentors for their tireless dedication. The Vice Chairman, Mufti Saad Uddin Qasimi Sahab, spoke on the significance of Teachers' Day, linking it with the values of respect and reverence for educators that are deeply rooted in tradition and culture. He reminded students of their responsibility to uphold the dignity of learning. The Superintendent, Maulana Abdul Manan Sahab, in his address, elaborated on the virtue and value of teachers, comparing them to guiding lights who remove the darkness of ignorance. He urged students to always hold their teachers in the highest regard, both during their school years and beyond. Adding to the occasion, the headmistress of the girls' section, Mrs. Farida Khatun, shared her words of appreciation, acknowledging the hard work of the teaching staff and encouraging students to make their teachers proud through discipline, hard work, and respect. In a touching gesture, students felicitated all the teachers with the traditional Assamese gamosa, along with diaries and pens, as symbols of gratitude and respect. The program also witnessed colorful cultural performances by the students of Markaz Academy, including songs, skits, and dances, which added liveliness to the atmosphere and showcased the talents nurtured by the teachers themselves. The celebration concluded on a joyous note, with students and teachers sharing moments of appreciation and pride. The event not only highlighted the respect and affection students hold for their teachers but also reinforced the strong bond between educators and learners at Markaz Academy. The day was a memorable one, leaving a lasting impression on the school community and serving as a reminder of the timeless value of teachers in building a brighter future.